Hello viewers, today I am gonna show you how to recall a send email. So let's start. To doing this process you need to create a one email at first. Right now I am creating one test email in my Outlook Express. So this is my test email and I am sending it in this address. So I am sending it right now. It's send it. Now to recall the sent email, we need to go to the send item and find out the send email. This is my sending email. So you need to double click this send email and you need to go to the file, and here is the recall or resend button. Just click it and you will see the two options. You will select the first option, recall this message, and click it. So here you will see a one dialog box, and in this dialog box you can see the two options. One is delete unread copies of this message, and second is delete unread copies and replace with a new message. So I am selecting delete unread copies of this message. Please remember one thing, this recall function is work only if the user have not yet read this message. If the user read this message, this recall function will not work. I hope it is clear for you. So now I am select this one and press OK button. To see the result, you need to go to the inbox. Now I am going to the inbox. Here is my inbox, and this is the recall email. And this email will come within 2 minutes. And you will see the yellow mark sign. It means this is a recall email. And here is mentioned was recalled successfully. So this is the way to return back a send email. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.